Good morning, everyone. This is Morgan with Colorado Pond Pros. I'm excited to tell you that I'm working on a waterfall renovation today here in Lamont, Colorado. And I just wanted to show you kind of what we do and the amazing transformation that we're about to make. Alrighty, everyone. So we are here at our property for our project today. This all was in result of a leak visit that I came out on a few months ago. This customer's pressure filter was leaking here. Didn't want to replace the O-rings. Kind of just needed a little bit better filtration. I'm gonna get this all taken apart and use the existing rock here to kind of rebuild the side of the pond here, and then we're actually going to move this waterfall over to this other side here. That's where the customer wants it. We'll also be able to get a little bit better circulation through the rest of the pond. And everything's covered in snow. We're still going to try and make something amazing today. So looks like our feature is pretty well frozen. So while we're waiting things to kind of thaw out a little bit, I am gonna start unloading some of our rock for the feature, using some of this beautiful gray riprap. We're not gonna use all this, but I definitely like to have different options to give us a little bit more artistic creativity. Alrighty, now I'm gonna grab some gravel and some dirt as well. Still waiting for this guy to thaw out a little bit. Snow everywhere. Good morning, everyone. I'm back at our property we're working on the other day. We actually had to postpone because everything was still so frozen. But I am back here just a few days later. The sun's been beating on this thing. Pond is still pretty frozen up in here. We'll get to it. We'll get going, pulling up all the rest of this liner. See, we're having a lot more headway. Just a couple seconds of me being here. So get this liner removed. Get this old pressure filter and UV out of here. As you can see, before it was kind of more in the center of the pond, so we kind of want some flow coming in from one end to another, so we have good circulation going throughout. Just got to make sure we can get that thing snugged in there and retain the soil behind it and make it look great. Got some sand down to level the biofall. We got our first waterfall built here, and then I'm gonna just continue rocking in. This is a small little waterfall, but we're gonna try and make it real intricate and kind of give it a nice turn in here. So we got our project all finished up. I just wanted to show you what we got here. Okay, so here we have it. Small little feature. It's only about 5 feet long, but definitely gave this feature a nice facelift. You know, we kind of did some accent things on the edges here, put a little bit of mulch down, and I also have 3 1-watt lights. It just turned out beautiful. We are going to come back here in a couple weeks and give the pond an entire clean out as well, make any other recommendations that we need, and get this thing set up for the season. Thank you guys so much for watching our video on this beautiful waterfall renovation. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.